Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into talking about how much you could expect to make from Zazzle. Like if you are having a Zazzle shop and you're expecting to make some serious amount of money, is it really possible? And how much could you expect and how much you need to do the work to get the results? So let's dive into today's video guys. Before we part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license so you can very well use it. Also guys, we are soon going to starting with an exclusive email newsletter that will going to deliver you each and every week in your email inbox the exclusive content related to making money online as an artist, as a designer, as a print-on-demand seller, and those content won't be delivered on any of our online space, so it would be exclusive to that email newsletter. Right now it's on waitlist. So once we will going to start it, we will going to sending you the emails. The link is in description box below. Subscribe to that newsletter. It's 100% free. There's no catch. Now let's talk about how much could you expect to make from Zazzle. With Zazzle in the beginning was very weird because I wasn't able to actually find out what was selling on the platform, and I was just placing the designs like I was used to do with other print-on-demand websites, like just placing the designs here and there and expecting to get the sales. But that route of the Zazzle wasn't really successful. I'm gonna leave the bunch of the videos related to the Zazzle, the complete playlist in the card section above. If you want to check out how to get started with the Zazzle, opening up a shop is a step-by-step tutorial guiding you each and every step on how to make your shop and how to make it active running. So I'm gonna leave the bunch of the videos and also the playlist of the Zazzle in the card section above. So that was the first experience with the Zazzle, and that was a weird experience because I wasn't able to recognize that. And if you are in that shoes, then I really understand you. That's completely fine. It's completely normal if we are in beginner and we don't know how to proceed with that. That's really understandable. So you don't need to feel bad about it. Now the second experience was having when I saw some videos and when I was doing some kind of like research regarding the Zazzle, I came out that on the Zazzle, the products that sell are mostly the templates. Mostly, majority of them are the templates because people are looking for buying the, for example, if they're buying the wedding invitation, they're looking to actually use your product, your design as a template. They can add it their name, text, or add their logo or their photograph, whatever they want to do with the template. They can just add it according to their need, customize it, and then gonna purchase the product. So if we are just throwing the designs like we used to do with the Teepublic, Redbubble, it won't work with the Zazzle. So that's why I talk about Zazzle is a print-on-demand website, but it's not really a print-on-demand website. You really need to have a different eyes to look Zazzle, and that's what I did in my second experience. And the second shop that I started was back in the late May and the June. And now I'm making 3 to 4 sales a day, at times 10 sales a day. Like in just 3 to 4 months, it's working well for me. And now I'm expecting to make more in the upcoming future months with upcoming holidays and then so on and so forth. As soon as I'm building my inventory on my new shop, I could expect to make more money. But in the 3 to 4 months, I'm making more sales, which I never expected to. So I'm going to tell you, yes, it's possible to make some serious amount of Zazzle. Yes, it is really possible, but it's all dependent on strategy. What kind of strategy you are using? Like, are you just throwing your designs like other print-on-demand websites and leaving it like that, expecting to get the sales? That would be really a bummer because that wouldn't happen for you. It didn't happen for me as well. Like, it didn't happen. I was just throwing the design and nothing actually happened. That was my first case. And when I actually realized the platform is different than I was thinking of, then my views actually changes and I was uploading the designs which people are looking for. So it's all depend on your strategy, but it's possible to make serious amount of money from the Zazzle. You could do that, guys. I've been making at times in a day 10 sales a day in just 3 to 4 months on Zazzle. So what would happen in a year? It would be much more than that. So yes, it's possible to make serious amount of money. Another thing I want to talk about is bulk of the sales. Like on Redbubble, I have seen that people normally, if they like your sticker, they're gonna buy 5 or maybe 10 at a time. But on the Zazzle, if they like your sticker or even if they like your gift tag or paper product, they're gonna purchase more. Yes, they're gonna purchase more. Like for example, if they are buying the wedding invitation for the wedding, it's normally obvious for them to buy more from your shop, because if they like the design, if they like the outcome of the design which they're expecting to, they would buy the complete wedding suit from your shop. That's a plus point about the Zazzle. You could create a complete collection. Now collection is a main asset which I see on the Zazzle. The people are having a birthday collection, Halloween collection, Christmas collection, baby shower collection, wedding collection, bridal shower collection. So people have a complete collection of particular occasion or event or a holiday, and then that complete collection is getting the multiple sales. That's the secret about the Zazzle, which I think that most of people don't know. I also came out recently only when I was doing a research on that. I was thinking of how to make multiple sales in a day, and then I came across that you need to have a collection around one specific event, holiday or an occasion, and your designs for that particular collection need to be correlated to each other. So if someone is buying maybe a paper plate of their birthday from your collection, if they like the designs that you have placed on the paper plate, they would buy the party hat, they would buy the cards, the gifts, the invitations or bunting flags. They could purchase more from that same collection. That could lead you to make multiple sales just from one person. And if one customer is converting multiple different times, then you could expect to make more money. And from my experience, I've seen people are making 6 figures a year from Zazzle. That's really mind-blowing. When I saw that, I was like, wow. I never thought that it was possible. And now I see that people are making 6 figures, 7 figures from the Zazzle. Now it's possible to make that. Now from the Zazzle, if you see that there are the batches they give to the designers. Based on the sales, based on how much earning you are earning, you're gonna get the batches like the Pro Bronze, the Silver, Gold, Platinum and Diamond and so on and so forth, depending on how much you're making in your shop. But I see that Zazzle is different. It's an on-demand platform. It's not a print-on-demand platform. So yes, you could expect to make 4 figure a month. 4 figure a month, maybe $3,000 or $4,000 on Zazzle each month from your shop. You can expect to make that, but you need to be very strategic. You need to be very intentional with what kind of designs you're making, with your collection, with the variations, with the events you're targeting, with your target customer avatar and all those kind of things. You really need to be strategic. But another thing I want to talk about, guys, which is really important based on my experience, I have seen that if you're just uploading, for example, if you have got some design from a creative fabric, maybe related to the Christmas, maybe related to Christmas tree, and you have bought the design and you're placing the design as a print on demand on the products on the Zazzle, you may get sales or you may not be getting it. But if you have uploaded the design and you have making it as a template, like allowing people to add their name or maybe description, maybe their own picture, maybe their own logo, then your product will going to definitely sell more. And people buy in bulk. I have seen, for me as well, one of my products sells almost 100 times right now. And I was really shocked. I wasn't expecting to get the sales so much that people are purchasing in bulk from the Zazzle. So you really need to be strategic to make serious amount of money. I would say that if you don't focus on other print-on-demand websites, you're just focusing on the Zazzle, you could make 4 figure a month from the Zazzle. I am going to reach that level completely from Zazzle soon because it's just 3 or 4 months. But I could see the major potential on the Zazzle, which is not there on any other print-on-demand website. I haven't seen that much potential on Redbubble, Teepublic, or Display or Society6. Maybe I would be wrong, may not be, but do let me know in the comment section below. But I haven't seen that much of potential on that marketplace as I've seen on the Zazzle. So you really need to be intentional. For example, if you have made a birthday collection, think of what people will going to buy for their birthdays. Maybe if you're targeting the kid's birthday of 1 year of age, 2 years of age, think of all the products. It could be the tags, gift tags, it could be wrapping papers, cards, invitations, stickers, labels, bunting flags, party hats, paper plate, paper napkin. Now these are some ideas that I've given you especially for the birthday collection. You could have a collection around any event, for example, a Christmas, for example, a Halloween, New Year, Thanksgiving, or maybe for a Labor Day, maybe for a baby shower, bridal shower, wedding, home. So you could create a collection around any particular topic and can add a bunch of the products into that collection. So, and having all the products similar design and they're all working as a template. So people, if they're buying a birthday invitation from your birthday collection, they would really going to convert more because they like the design, they kind of like the concept of the design. So they will be purchasing gift tag as well, sticker, label, wrapping paper as well from the same design. This is the secret of getting the more sales. And also guys, upload more designs that as template. Don't upload it as a print on demand. Don't take it in that way, guys. If you're taking it, please correct it because you will not going to land in too much sales. It's my experience. It's based on my experience. You couldn't expect to make more sales. So yes, it's possible to make serious amount of money, $4,000 a month or $3,000 a month, 4-figure in revenue, 4-figure in profit on Zazzle. It's possible to make that much amount of money, or maybe 6-figure a year. It's possible. You really need to be intentional. You really need to be strategic with what you're doing with your shop, uploading the product according to it and promoting it well. So it's possible. Hopefully I've answered this question in this video. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.